Hello, YouTube. All right, we're back on another project, but this is a new car. On a whim, I went out and I bought a Mini Cooper. So I decided I wanted to teach my teenagers how to drive a manual transmission car. So I found this Mini Cooper and I went out and I bought this thing. It ain't perfect, but it's actually in pretty good shape. But I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what we're working on right now. All right, here's the little Mini Cooper. This is a S model, so it's got a turbocharger. This is 2009 Mini Cooper. What we're working on though is it's got protective paint film and it's kind of peeling off. It's only right here on the front bumper, down here on this front valance, and it's peeling off. Looks kind of cruddy. You can see the old adhesive where it's peeled off at. So I want to try to get this off. Did a little bit of research. Seems like a steamer is the way to go. So I bought a steamer on Amazon and I'm going to give this a try. So I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, here's this little bitty steam gun that I bought off Amazon. It's only like 50 bucks. So it's got an extendable hose on it. It's got a little reservoir here. It's electric. And it takes 2 batteries in the nozzle and then it plugs into an electrical outlet. So I got that. I got a little plastic razor blade. I'm going to go ahead and try this. Start steaming this and see if I can peel it off. All right, so this is actually working really well. You can see there's a nice big piece pulling off, so I'm going to keep working on this. All right, that's actually working pretty darn well. I'm gonna keep pulling more of this stuff off, but I think this is gonna work out just fine. Okay, this seems like it's gonna work pretty well. I'm kind of surprised at how well this is going. It's coming off pretty clean. It's not leaving a bunch of adhesive behind. It's gonna take a while. This little steamer, it doesn't get terribly hot. It's not burning my skin too bad or anything, but this is actually working. So I'm gonna keep at it and I'll check back in and show you the progress in a little bit. Here we go. Okay, here's the progress I've made so far. This has probably been about 10 minutes. I got this whole area pretty much peeled off already. At first I was trying to steam it and then get like a corner and try to peel it with my fingers. But I was finding the pieces were breaking off. So then I just went at it with the razor blade. I'm not terribly concerned about the paint on this car. I just wanted to get this nastiness off so I can wash this and clean it up and throw some wax on it maybe. So now I've been steaming it and just plowing through it. You can see here, like I just been plowing through with the razor, the plastic razor blade. That seems to be the best bet. Get this whole area nice and soft and just plow right on through, and it's taking it off in wide swaths. So now that I've adopted that technique, I was trying to go like little like that. It wasn't working. And just plowing through when it's nice and hot and wet, and it's taking it right off. And it's taking the adhesive off too, which is beautiful. So I was worried I was gonna have a bunch of adhesive to clean off. Not gonna be the case. So let's keep going. Okay, so actually it's going pretty great. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you the progress. I've only ran into one little snag, and it's not really a snag. Here we go. So this is peeling right off. I've been out here less than an hour. I've already gotten the whole half of the top bumper off, and I'm moving right along real easily. I kind of got a technique down. The only snag I ran into, there was no way to get that PPF off that was over top of the stripes without damaging the stripes, but that's okay. I'll either just leave it off of the lower, or else we have a Cricut, and I'll just cut some new vinyl and put it on there. Not a big deal, but this is pretty satisfying. I got a technique down, and I'm just moving the wand up and down and up and down and keeping it nice and moist and hot, and then I'm peeling at the same time, and it's just peeling off real nice and easy. And then on the clear parts, I'm just kind of getting it hot and wet, and I'm just motoring on through with the scraper, and it's coming right off. You can see it's pretty darn clean, coming off real nice. All right, show you a little bit more. And that's that. This thought's really working great. Plastic razor blade and a little steamer. I'll put a link to the steamer in the description. But anyway, this is a win getting this off. I'll get it all nice and cleaned up, get the adhesive off. It's not leaving much behind at all. Maybe we'll even steam the adhesive off. So I'll get it all cleaned up, wash it, throw a little bit of wax on there, and be rid of that nasty looking peeling off PPF. So, okay, I just want to wrap this video up. So, Mini Cooper, the steamer took all the film off. It did leave a little bit of adhesive. I'm going to turn around and show the camera what that looks like. That there was some adhesive left here and there. So to get it off the rest of the way, I used this 3M adhesive remover. I'll put a link in the description. This stuff works really, really well. I'll show you. You just spray it on, let it sit there for a few minutes, and you can either wipe it off, but it kind of like rolls up and pills up as you're trying to wipe it off. It doesn't like wipe cleanly. So I found if I spray it on and it kind of melts the adhesive, then if I just scrape it with the plastic razor, it just rolls it right off. So I'll show you what that looks like, and then we'll wrap this up. Okay, as you can see here, there's just a little bit of adhesive, not a ton, just a little bit. Down here it's a little heavier. So I'm gonna spray this stuff on, and then here, I'll just spray some on. It sprays on clear, it's paint safe, and you just leave it sit on there for a few minutes. Then you can just wipe it off like I said, but if you wipe it, it kind of pills up like that, versus if you scrape it, it comes off cleanly. So I'll show you how that looks too. Okay, this is soaked in for a few minutes. I'm gonna show you how it looks with the plastic razor. See, it kind of just rolls right off. Pretty clean. Okay, I just wanted to wrap up this video about removing off the PPF on the front of the Cooper. I'll turn the camera around and show you how it turned out. Okay, there it is. It's raining, so there's a little bit of water on there, but it's clean as can be. Okay, as you can see, the steamer and then the adhesive remover both work perfectly. I'll put a link to both of those in the description so you guys can take a look at those if you're interested. I'll get a small commission on Amazon if you happen to buy one of those. But I'll put the link down there in the description. And hope this helps somebody who need to remove any of that gunky old film. Came off pretty darn easy. Anyway, if you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye.